back to another video. In today's video we're going to do some dinner rolls. Now you can use these dinner rolls at any time, or you want to use them for the holidays, it's up to you. These are so soft and nice, they go with anything, or even just have them by itself with little butter and tea, right? Yes. First thing first, we're going to activate the yeast, work with the yeast, because you know you don't want the yeast to have direct contact with salt. So we're going to add the sugar.
I'm gonna do the sugar. I'm gonna mix it.
At this point you can add the yeast to lukewarm milk. I didn't point that out earlier.
Oops, I'm tired.
And you want to leave this to froth up for about 10 minutes. Alright, so this is after 10 minutes of the yeast blooming. We're going to add the salt to the flour. Start with a spoon first, or if you have a mixer, you can always go ahead and use it at this time. And you want to make sure you gradually add the milk to the flour. You don't want to get the dough too soft. You want to get a nice soft dough. We don't want it to be too tight either. So which is why I opt in using my hand to finish off, because I want to feel as I go along the texture. You want to roll your dough for around 10 minutes or so, just to develop that nice gluten so the bun can be stretchy and soft. You can notice how it looks already. I'm going to go in with some butter and massage it in. And remember, butter works as a tenderizer. So you know when the dough is ready, guys, when it stops sticking to the surface. And we want to rest this for about an hour. We're getting a nice dough here. Very nice, smooth, soft. Alright, so we're still going to rub some of your butter on the surface of the dough, and we're going to rest it in our bowl for an hour. Remember, when your dough is resting, you want to keep it in a nice lukewarm place. Your bread won't rise in a cold area, right? So if you have like a pantry, if where you live is cold, you keep it in your pantry. Or what you can do is to light your oven for 5 minutes, turn it off, put your dough in there to rise, and it will be good. This is after 1 hour of rising, guys. I am going to deflate it. And this, guys, is so soft. Oh my gosh. We're going to divide the dough in 2 equal parts. So what you want to get the surface very smooth. So you turn it into your hand and bring the corners in. I have a grease pan here. You do the same for the other area, for the other buns. Or if you want to tuck it in, no problem. We want to allow this to rest for another hour as well, and then we return. Alright guys, this is after 1 hour of the second rising. What we're going to do now is to just brush them with some soy milk. You can use whatever nut milk you have, and make sure your oven is preheating. We're going to bake this for 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. These are hot out the oven after 20 minutes, and I'm telling you, this smells so nice. What you can do now is to just brush some butter on it, and we're going to keep it covered because these are not ready to break into as yet. Alright, so we're going to cover it and let them steam. The heat from the buns will steam and, you know, just make the buns way more softer to tear through. As much as, oh gosh, as much as they smell so tempting. Oh my gosh, guys, oh my gosh. All right, we're gonna give them 20 or 30 minutes cooling time and then come back. And this is after 30 minutes of cooling down. Still not fully cool as yet, but you know, I want to show you guys the end results. And I'm telling you guys, it's no joke. Look at that, very soft. You see, when you let your bun relax and cool down, you get a better texture from it. See how nice and soft it feels coming out? Not gonna lie to you guys, this one, ooh, you have to add this one to your list of things to try. Would you look at that? Look at that. Very nice, soft bun we have. Open it and show you guys. Look how soft. Kid you not, guys, I kid you not. This is so soft and nice. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you give this recipe a try. Until next time, bye.